Hey, this video will make you understand about JS methods. It is key method that contains an iterator object that will contain key for each index in the array. Let me show a small example for it. Look at the array, it has 3 elements in it. When the key method is called upon these array elements, then it will contain an iterator object that has all the key for each index. And the key produced by this array is 0, 1 and 2. Okay, now let's move to our code editor. Here, we will code the key method, and see the result in detail. For that we need to create an array first, and then apply the key method upon that array. Look, I'm declaring the array with some element to generate a key for each one of them. Here we are having 3 elements in the array, that is A, B and C. Moving on, let's apply the key method upon it and check. We will store the result in a variable. Look, to apply key method upon the array is shown, take a look at it. In iterator variable, we will store the result. After storing the result, we will now iterate over the iterator object obtained by calling the for loop upon it. Because this iterator object contains keys for each index in it. To get hold of them, we are taking help of for loop. Take a look at it and understand how it really works. The way to do it is shown on your screen. Look carefully. Did you understand how to work with keys method? Then hit the subscribe button now. As you can see, we got 0, 1 and 2 as our final output. These are the keys that are produced by each element in the array. That's it, we are done. See ya in next video.